Hey guys, welcome back to the channel on what is a very crisp winter's morning here in the UK. In the last episode we replaced the door and the wing. Today we're going to move inside and start taking a look at the interior. If you're not already, please think about giving a like and subscribe, and stay tuned. So today we're taking a look at retrimming the steering wheel. This one is a bit tired, it's scratched, the stitching's starting to come undone. We've bought a kit online, so let's see how it goes. So what we've got here is a DIY steering wheel retrim. I know, it screams quality, doesn't it? So in the box you get your retrimmed lever for the steering wheel. It's pre-cut precisely for the MX5 Mark III, and you also get some double-sided tape to help stick it so it doesn't spin around the steering wheel, a trim tool to tuck the lever under the thumb bars, and some needles and some thread that you stitch through to make it complete around the steering wheel. So I don't think this is going to be a 2-minute task, nor do I think it's part of my usual skill set, but let's give it a go and see how we get on. So to be fair, it comes with quite a detailed set of instructions explaining what to do. So the first step is to put some double-sided tape around the inside of this leather. Then we'll take it out to the car, stick it on with the tape just to hold it in position, and then we'll start stitching. So let's get that done. So that's the tape on all the way around the inside. Try to put extra focus on the areas where it's going to be tucking under the thumb grips at the side of the steering wheel. So let's get it out to the car and get it on the wheel. So let's get this round the steering wheel. Once we've got it roughly into position, we'll start peeling off our double-sided adhesive tape. So I've taken the adhesive tape off around this section, and I've started to tuck it under this section of the steering wheel and this part of the thumb grip. It's really tight. Trying to use this plastic trim tool to get it under. I think what I'm going to do, I'm going to go a little bit off piste from the instructions, and I'm going to stitch this section here to make sure that the line of stitching runs straight up the steering wheel so that I'm not sort of sticking it with the tape, skew-if. So let's give this a stitch, see how it comes out, and hopefully it'll give me a bit of a better idea of what I'm doing around the rest of the wheel. So I will be the first to admit I am out of my depth. I can't sew for the life of me. You can start seeing how it's coming together. There is light at the end of the tunnel, but wow, I have underestimated this task. It's taken me probably 30 to 40 minutes to do this, and I'm not even happy with it. I'm struggling to tuck this bit under here. It's gone in a bit nicer around the other side. I need to stitch that. Let's keep going, see how we end up. one quadrant done. That was hard work. Not impossible, you know, just stick at it, but wow, I definitely underestimated this. Before I even think about attempting any more of this, I'm going to go and get a coffee. And there we have it. That was probably the most challenging thing I've ever done on a car. I've supercharged engines in a shed. I've done engine swaps, I've done clutches, all that good stuff that comes with part of, you know, enjoying cars. But this really tested me. It was totally beyond my normal skill set. You know, I don't normally have a needle and thread in my hand. But that said, I think that's come out pretty well, considering it's a £13 cheap, you know, leather do-it-yourself trim kit. I think that looks smart. The other thing that's really nice, where we've gone over the old leather rather than cutting it off and replacing it, it's really got quite a nice thickness to it now, this wheel. So guys, that's it for another video. I'm really pleased with how that's come out. I'd recommend giving it a try. Patience is the key. It's not overly complex, but it's just about taking your time and really just making sure that everything you do right. If it's not, just go back a step or two and put it right. I think that's really lifted the interior of this car. It's really brought it looking, you know, brought it back into looking a lot newer than it was. None of that shiny old leather. But yeah, I'm really pleased. In the next episode, we're going to start looking at some driving aids. So if you're curious as to what those are, make sure you hang around for that. As always, if you're not already, please give a like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks.